Good morning. I just got to bacon. There's the front of the house. I'm sure you've seen it before, driven down the street, but here is a view. What a cute neighborhood, Jordan. I can see why you want to be here. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I am going to take you inside. Start your tour. I love this little cute brickwork. Okay. Landscaping's not gonna be too bad for you. A little bit of grass to mow. Okay. Got an old school door here that doesn't want to stay closed. Okay, so you had asked about a closet. Taking my shoes off. So as soon as you walk in the door, there is a coat closet right here. There you go. Okay, the floors are really pretty. Now this is a gas fireplace. Hi. Windows look nice. Definitely, I wouldn't say they're original. Paint looks very fresh in here. There's a little separation along the window here. You could use some caulking there. So for floor plan, kitchen's this way. It looks like bedrooms are over here, so I'm gonna go this way. There's some built-ins here in the hallway. Got lots of drawers. 3 drawers and a cabinet. And then to the right here, you have your water heater and your HVAC. Tankless water heater, those are very efficient. So that's a nice update. All your paint there. Okay, then there is your guest bathroom. Nice tile floor, quartz or granite countertop. There's that window you were talking about in the bathroom you wanted to have. Okay. There's a little storage cabinet for you. Bedroom. There's a little bit of wear on the floor here. I would assume that will be hiding under a bed or something, but just wanted to point that out. Some of the baseboards have a couple nicks, but my feelings are different on this house versus the other one that had some paint issues, because this house is significantly older. So it's a little bit different of a mindset for things like that in a house at this age versus the house at the age for the one we were just at yesterday, if that makes sense. Okay, let's pop open these built-in. These are always nice because you don't need to waste any space in the bedroom with an extra dresser because you've got built-in stuff. Okay. There's the view out the front window. Okay, so back out to the kitchen. I love these when you can sit here and have dinner a little informally. Okay, I'm gonna turn on these lights. Okay, well, I guess those don't do that. Pendant lights, let's see where the pendant lights. There's one. The other one's over by the sink, I'm sure. Okay, so nice tall cabinets. These are cute, these little built-ins here. That's gonna be for your knives. I'm sure you already know that, but just in case. It's a nice big cabinet. So this one has a pantry. And there's your microwave in there. Kind of soft close. Yeah, nice. This is pretty, this glass cabinet here. So there's the view for the dining room, kitchen, living room. We will head this way. There's your laundry room. Little pocket door here. It's a good size. Oh my goodness, I love this backyard. So nice. So you can close off your bedroom area, or this section of the house. Oh, duh, it's because it's the master bedroom. Okay, so master bathroom. Very pretty. I love this big soaker tub. Cabinets above the toilet there. Great size. Shower. Oh, I like when they do all the tile all the way to the ceiling. Okay. Yeah, lots of cabinets. And then this one's also a pocket door. There's a little bit of a ramp up here, so they've marked it with some yellow tape. This is so pretty. Wow. Lovely room. I love that they have the recessed lighting. And then your bedroom goes right off to your own private deck back there. And then big closet. This is great. Okay, one of the lights is out. But great big closet. Look at this. Lots of wonderful built-ins. It's gonna be your crawl space right there. Oh, there's a squirrel. And he's got one of those acorns in his mouth. All right, I'm gonna go outside. I don't have shoes on, so I'm gonna, all right, I'm gonna pause this video to figure out how to open this door. But before I do, let's get one more shot of the bedroom.